I never heard anyone hiccup like that.
No, I'm gonna take a picture for you.
Is it sore?
Maggie, yes.
That's your part of you.
Oh.
The first,
Sorry. No problem.
What did you say? Hey, what did you say? Sorry.
Sorry.
What the fucking sorry? He's a fucking man.
He's in
Sorry,
pain.
say sorry.
He's in pain. You shouldn't laugh at other people's suffering.